Welcome to Free to Learn Foundation. In this video, we will learn step by step how square root of a number is found by long division. This is session 2 of the series. Do watch all the sessions for better understanding on square root. Let's take 3-digit number 739 whose square root value is 27.184 as our example. As we learn each step in the long division process, we will apply it in this example and derive its square root value. This is how it looks after completing the long division process. To derive each digit of the square root value, we have to complete a division each time by deriving a new divisor and a new dividend. In our example, to get each digit of the square root value 27.184, we have to complete 5 divisions. Each time we have to derive a new divisor and new dividends. The first step is to arrange the digits. If the number has odd digits, we have to write the first number, leave a space, and remaining number in pairs with space in between. If the number has even digits, write all number in pairs with space in between. Our example 739 has odd digits, so we have to write 7 first, leave a space, 39 together as pair, with a decimal point and 3 pairs of 0. We are adding 3 pairs of 0 because we are approximating the square root value to 3 decimal points. If you want to have more approximation like 4th or 5th digit, then we may have to add more zeros accordingly. Draw the blue line as shown in this figure to start the long division process. Step 2. Find the divisor and complete the division. We have to find the square of a number whose multiplication value is less than the first digit of our dividend. In this example, 7. Let's start the multiplication table. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 is less than 7, but let's see the 2 square value is less or more than 7. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Once again, 4 is less than 7. Let's see the 3 square value. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 is greater than 7. So we will take 2 into 2 is equal to 4 as our correct value. Write 2 in divisor, 2 in quotient, and its multiplication value 4 below 7. Subtract 4 from 7 and write 3 below. That completes our first division. The next step is to find the new dividend. Here we have two situations. When there is a pair of digits available before the decimal point, bring the pair next to the remainder. When there is no pairs of digits available before the decimal point, we have to bring the first pair of digits down, adding a decimal point in the quotient. But when we are bringing a second pair of digits down, there is no need to add the decimal point in quotient. In our example 739, we have a pair of digits available before the decimal point, that is 39. Bring 39 down and write it next to the remainder 3. Now 339 is the new dividend for the next division. The next step is to find the new divisor and complete the division. Add last digit of the previous divisor to itself and write below. In our example, the last digit of the previous divisor 2 is 2. So we have to add 2 to itself and write 4 below. Find the square number to get multiplication value less than new dividend. You have to apply a square number here so that its multiplication value is less than the dividend 339. Let's start the multiplication table. 41 into 1 is 41. 42 into 2 is 84. And as you go on, you will notice 47 into 7, which is 329, is more closer but less than the dividend 339. Write 7 in divisor, 7 in quotient, and its multiplication value 329 below the dividend 339. Subtract 329 from 339 and write remainder 10 below. That completes the second division. Now here's the quick tip to save some time. Approximate this 2-digit number. Let's approximate to 40. This way you will notice 40 into 7 is 280 and 40 into 8 290 are two numbers that are more closer to the dividend 339. So you just had to do the formal multiplication here only for these two numbers. 48 into 8 is 384, which is greater than 339. So only number left is 47. So 47 into 7, 329. So that will save you a lot of time. You don't have to do it from the beginning, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Step 5. Find the new dividend for the third division. We have already gone through this explanation in the previous division, so we'll jump directly to the example. There is no pair of digits available before the decimal point, so you had to bring the first pair of digits after the decimal point down with the decimal point added in quotient. Now this value 1000 is a new dividend for our next division. The next step is to find the new divisor and complete the third division. We have done this in previous division and let's do it again. Add last digit of the previous divisor to itself and write below. In our example, the last digit of the previous divisor 47 is 7. So we have to add 7 to 47 and write 54 below. Find the square number to get the multiplication value less than the new dividend. We had to apply the square number here so that its multiplication value is less than or more closer to 1000. Let's start the multiplication table. 541 into 1 is 541, which is less than 1000. Let's see if the next number is less than 1000. 542 into 2 is 1084, which is greater than 1000. So write 1 in divisor, 1 in quotient, and its multiplication value 541 below the dividend 1000. Subtract 541 from 1000 and write 459 as a remainder. That completes the third division. Step 7. Find new dividend for the fourth division. We have gone through this step in the previous division, so we'll jump directly to the example. We are bringing a pair of 0 for the second time, so there is no need to add a decimal point in the quotient. This value 45,900 is the new dividend for our next division. Step 8. Find the new divisor and complete the fourth division. Add last digit of the previous divisor to itself and write below. In our example, the last digit of the previous divisor 541 is 1. So add 1 to 541 and write 542 below. Find the square number to get multiplication value less than the new dividend. You have to apply the square number here so that its multiplication value is less than the dividend. Let's start the multiplication table. 5421 into 1 is 5421. 5422 into 2 is 10844. And as we go on, you will notice 5428 into 8, which is equal to 43424, is more closer to but less than 45900. We can also use the approximation technique which we learned to save some time. Let's round this 4-digit number. Let's round it, say 5000. And 5000 is multiplied by 1, 2, 3 and so on. You will notice 5000 into 8 is 40,000 and 5000 into 9 is 45,000, which is more closer to 45900. We can't have 5000 into 10 because that will make the digit to 5-digit number. When you do the actual multiplication, we found 5429 into 9 is 48861, which is greater than 45900. So the right number is 5428 into 8, which is equal to 43424. Write 8 in divisor and write 8 in quotient, and its multiplication value 43424 below dividend. Subtract 43424 from 45900 and write 2476 as a remainder. That completes the fourth division. Step 9. Getting the new dividend for the final division. As we already know the step, we'll jump into the example directly. Bring the last pair of 0 down and no need to add a decimal point. The new value 247600 is the new dividend for the next division. Step 10. Find the new divisor and complete the final division. Add last digit of the previous divisor to itself and write below. In our example, the last digit of the previous divisor 5428 is 8. So add 8 to 5428 and write 5436 below. Find the square number to get the multiplication value less than the new dividend. We had to apply the square number here so that its multiplication value is less than the dividend. Let's start the multiplication table. 54361 into 1 is equal to 54361. As you go on, you will find 54364 into 4, which is equal to 217456, is more closer but less than 247600. We can also use the approximation technique to save some time. Let's round this 5-digit number. Let's round it to say 50,000. 50,000 into 4 is 2 lakh. 50,000 into 5 is 2,50,000, which is greater than 2,47,600. So the right number is 54364 into 4, which is 217456. Write 4 in divisor, 4 in quotient, and its multiplication value 217456 below the dividend. Subtract 217456 from 247600 and write the remainder 30244. That completes the fifth and final division, and we found our square root value 27.184. Do watch our next video where we found square root by long division for some of the tricky numbers like square root of 82 and square root of 101, and decimal numbers, for example, square root of 23.48. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like us and share it to all your friends so that they all can get benefited. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Free to Learn Foundation, and click the bell icon for all our latest updates.